Click on the subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel, and also click on this bell icon to get all notifications on your mail. Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain the two modify operations, nothing but to bring all annotations to front and send hatches to back. Already explained in the previous tutorial. Different types of operations on the above, bring to back, and let's get started. Then you can observe the different types of operations on the modify. First you can give the dimensions like this. I am giving the modify by using the modify dimension style manager. I am giving the text height like this. I am giving the arrow size to 50 and the text size to 100, and click on close option. And for example, this is 615.5 like this, one of the dimensions of linear I created. After that I want to all annotations, then only I am giving the dimensions like this, and I want to giving the layers. I am giving the one like this. For example, this is the one of the ladder is created, and I am giving the second ladder. See, the two type of ladders are created. Next I want to give the text by using the single line text. I am giving the single line text and select the text height. The text angle is required and the text height is required to create the text. All text on previous tutorial. I am giving the one of the text like this. I am created the text and the ladders and the dimensions tools by using the operations. I will show you how to bring all of the annotations to bring to front of any of the gradient or there any of the hatches objects are created. You want to give by using the rectangle operation. I am giving the some other one of the rectangle is created. By for the explanation, I am giving the hatch enter. I am giving the pattern. I am giving the gradient like this. Select the gradient option. Different types of colors appears, and select the gradient what you want. As your wish, you can give the any of the gradient. I am giving the gradient like this, and by using the move operation, move the objects, and backside the all of the annotations are there. You want to annotations to front by using the modify operation. You can bring all annotations to front and click on that. After click on that, on the command prompt, you can observe the four objects brought to front and click on enter. The four objects are brought to front. How many objects are created on the before you can observe on the screen. The four objects are bring to front. On the gradient object, hatch object is covered by the any of the dimensions by using the modify tool. These modify tools will help you, and by using the rectangle operation I will explain the another operation. By using the rectangle, I am giving the hatch operation. The hatch is to back, and click on the gradient. I am remaining a solid like this, and I am giving the circle. One of the circle is created. After that circle is created, I am giving the hatch operation. H enter, and select the different the gradient, and select the type what of the type is required. You can give the any of the type of the one of the required. Then click the and move the object like this. You can observe the hatch is on the back side of the circle. Hatch is there on the back side. The is there. You can observe. Simply click on the send hatches to back. You can observe the two lines. You can observe the front of the solid hatches form on the front, and the gradient is send it to back. While you shown on the figure, the lines are by using the Control Z. I will show you. See, the lines are not send hatches to back. You can observe the hatch operation is created on the back. The gradient is send it to back. You want to create, you want to send the option hatches to front or back. This send hatches to back is very helpful. Already explained different types of tutorials of send to front and send to back. This is the tutorial for send to hatch to back.